Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to get some data cables under a floor. How are we going to do it? So we've got a hole here, the chip is cut, and we're going to go all the way over to where those cables are, just over there. So we're going to drill a hole in the floor. So we're going to get out our board cutters. So what we've got in here, so we've got our 127mm cutter, and also we've got a 127mm disc, but we've got a 111mm cutter as well. So today we're going to use the 127mm board cutter. So that first of all goes in an arbor, but we're going to try out a new arbor. That's what we're going to use. We're going to use our Super Rod Duo Axiom Arbor Max. That's what it is. It is a normal holster arbor, but it has got the bit on here for the 16, the 20 and the 25mm hole saws. So now we're going to slide that on to our 127mm cutter. It slides on like so. And then we'll engage it, so we're just going to push it forward and engage that, so that locks off on there. Let's get it set up in the drill. Right, so our joists are running like this. So we're now going to cut a hole in here. As you can hear, that's hollow. So we're going to cut a hole just here. So we've got a drill bit in there. So we're going to put it in and we're going to drill it. So that has, as you can see, rebated that cut. There's our initial disc, so the floor's 22mm thick, and our plastic disc will drop straight in there. So we've also got this insulated plasterboard here, so now we can use our rods just up here. So now we've got an insulated plasterboard. So we've got an insulated plasterboard here, so we're going to make a hole here and we're going to rod down here to under here so we can get our cables up under here, but first to the other side of the room. Right, so there's our glow in the dark rod. That's it, what it looks like when it glows. So we're going to get our cables attached onto the other end. So the cables are going to go under the floor. Where they pass through under the floor, we're going to use a 20mm round conduit. It's all flexible, so we're going to slide the cables in there first and then we're going to pull them in. Right, so there's our rods, there's our socks, there's our cables, and for added extra protection we've put our cables into this 20mm oval conduit. So now we're going to pull those in under the floor. Right, so we've got our cables through the floor, so in our conduit obviously. So now we're going to drill a hole up here, so we're going to drill a hole there, send our rods down behind this plasterboard, and then we're going to draw our cables and the conduit up behind the wall and to this position here. Let's get it done. So we're going to use our twin Appleby box, 35mm deep, and we're going to put that into that hole just there. Right, so there's our conduit in. Now we're going to get our box in. Right, so that's where our cables come into our box. So we had to take a little bit of the wall out down here, but that'll be covered by the skirting board. Now we're going to just drop our disc in there. So ready just to drop our disc in. And there's our disc. perfectly in and flat to the floor. So that is how you use that. Now we're going to terminate on our data cables. Right, so we've got our cables under the floor in our round flexible conduit. They come up and they go up to the box. So we've got the cables into the box. Now we're just going to set about terminating data cables. To keep this video short, that's it. But keep tuned for the next video, because the next video will be terminating the data cables. So stick with us, and they're all Cat 6 terminations. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.